In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Clickup with Hubspot. To begin, sign into your Clickup account. Make sure you are using the correct workspace before you continue, because the integration will be set up from inside Clickup. Once you are logged in and looking at your dashboard, take a moment to confirm that everything has loaded properly so the menu options are easy to access. Next, move to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your account avatar. This will open your account menu where you will find additional settings and tools connected to your Clickup workspace. From that menu, select App Center. The App Center is where Clickup stores its available integrations, so this is the place you will use to connect Clickup with other platforms like Hubspot. When the App Center opens, use the search bar to look for Hubspot. Type in Hubspot clearly, then click on the result when it appears. This will take you to the Hubspot integration page inside Clickup. If you do not see it right away, give the page a second to load and make sure you selected the correct app from the results. Once you are on the Hubspot page, click Manage. This opens the integration settings and gives you access to the connection options. From there, click Add to Hubspot. This action starts the authorization process between the two platforms, and it should open a pop-up window for Hubspot. In the pop-up window, log into your Hubspot account. Enter your account details carefully and continue through the sign-in process. After you log in, you will be asked to choose the Hubspot portal you want to connect. If your account has access to more than one portal, make sure you select the correct one for the integration. This is important because the connection will apply to the portal you choose here. After selecting your target Hubspot portal, click Authorize. This gives Clickup permission to connect with Hubspot and complete the integration. Once the authorization is accepted, the two platforms will be linked, and you can return to Clickup to continue working with the connected setup. If you do not see the connection immediately, wait a few moments and refresh the page. In most cases, the integration is completed very quickly. That covers everything you need to know.